Hello everyone, I'm SAKSHI from 4SN23EC046 ECE branch. My startup company name is BIDTK258. My product present name is sunscreen and product proposed name is Radiance Guard. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Sunscreen, also known as a sunblock or a suntan lotion, is a lotion, spray, gel or other topical product that absorb or reflect the sun's UV radiation and protect the skin. Broad spectrum sunscreens help protect against both UVA and UVB rays, two types of sun's ultraviolet radiation. People of all skin colors are at a risk of skin cancer, skin aging, and sunburn from spending time in sun. There is no such thing as waterproof sunscreen. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Research is focusing on the development of new filters and substances that can effectively protect against UVA, UVB, and near-infrared radiation. Antioxidants are being added to the sunscreen to combat the harmful effect of free radicals generated by various parts of light spectrum. Devices like snappy screen machines are being developed to make sunscreen application easier and less greasy. These advancements aim to improve the efficiency, safety, and user experience of sunscreen, ultimately enhancing overall skin health and protection. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirement of the customer, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name sunscreen and futuristic product name is Radiance Guard. In prototype, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.